Good morning dear student, I am Vikas Kumar Pandey and today I am going to give you the introduction about computer application. In this particular video, we are going to have an introduction of the subject. This is lecture 1 and soon you will get the more videos on this particular topic. Starting of the marks division, it is the most important factor which will help you out to know how you have to focus and on which topic. This is 100 marks is divided into two parts, 70 marks and 30 marks. 70 marks is of internal practical or you can say board practical. 30 marks which is a theoretical portion for which you have to appear for the board examination. Talking about practical mark, here only 3 chapters are important: HTML, CSS and Python. Slowly while going through with this chapter, I will discuss you how you are going to prepare the slides, how you are going to prepare the presentation, or how you are going to write the program or view the data over there. Talking about 30 marks, it's a pure theoretical portion in which we are going to have few practical questions. The chapters which are going to come for the theory is HTML, CSS, Python, Internet, Societal Impact. Let us properly discuss these chapters in the index format. HTML, which is the most important chapter and used to cover a lot of marks in your examination. This chapter is divided into 3 parts. First, basic introduction of HTML. In this basic introduction of HTML, we are going to tell you how we are going to make index, how we are going to write the codes, how these codes are able to keep in a runnable format. In the second chapter, we are going to study about linking and images, which is one of the most important part of HTML. In the third and the last chapter of HTML, we are going to study about advanced HTML and table of HTML. Again, the most important one. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and used to cover 8 to 10 marks for a board examination. Moving to the next chapter, which is followed by HTML, that is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Second most important and easy chapter because these 2 chapters are combined together to form a web page. Here in this chapter, we are going to have a basic briefing of CSS, which is going to cover 3 to 5 marks. Talking about the third chapter, that is introduction of Python and basic programming, or this. In this chapter we have an option. Either a student can select Python as a main chapter or Scratch as a main chapter. In our school we have selected Python as a main chapter, so I am just going to tell you the proper description about Python. This Python is divided into 2 parts, that is introduction of Python and basic programming such as loop, case, etc. Talking about the 4th chapter, that is Internet. Internet is divided into 2 parts. They are working on internet and services provided by internet. Chapter 2 is governing, who governs internet and protocols used in internet. This chapter is used to carry 3 to 4 marks and one of the easiest chapter to grab the marks. Moving to the last chapter, that is societal impact of IT. IT stands for information technology, used to cover 3 to 4 marks. Just talking about in short, these are the practical chapters used to are going to cover a lot of marks over there. The theoretical portion are very less, so you have to keep focus on the practical sessions. First of all, we will start in the next from the next video. We will start with internet and their basic function. Thank you.